In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the front wheel hub axle for the Ford F-150 2014. The front wheel hub axle, the bearing paired with wheel speed sensor. The following are the tools required for replacing the front wheel hub axle head assembly: a pry bar, small flathead screwdriver, large flathead screwdriver, large short extension bar, small 8mm short socket, medium 13mm deep socket, large 13mm deep socket, large 18mm deep socket, large 21mm deep socket, small electric impact wrench, large electric impact wrench, medium torque wrench, large extendable ratchet wrench, large torque wrench, a brake caliper hook as a helper tool. Use the large 21mm deep socket and large short extension bar with the large extendable ratchet wrench. Loose the wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use the large 21mm deep socket and large electric impact wrench to remove the wheel lug nuts. Remove the wheel hub. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the axle shaft thread cap. Use the large 13mm deep socket and extendable ratchet wrench. Remove the axle shaft retaining nut. When removing the nut, make sure there is someone helping hold the brake pedal down. Remove the nut. Use the large 21mm deep socket. With the large electric impact wrench, remove the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Continue removing the lower caliper bracket retaining bolt. Remove the caliper. Use the caliper hook to hang the caliper. Remove the brake disc. Use a pry bar. Remove the wheel speed sensor wiring clip. Use a small flathead screwdriver. Help remove the wheel speed sensor connector. Line up the small red tab. Pry it upward. Push it in. Then remove the locking tab. Pull out the connector. Feed the wiring harness out. Use the small 8mm short socket with a small electric impact wrench. Remove the wheel speed sensor harness retaining bolt. Feed the harness out. Turn the steering wheel right completely, then turn left completely to remove the hub retaining bolts. Use the large 18mm deep socket with the large extendable ratchet wrench. Remove the hub retaining bolts. Remove the last bolt. Pull the hub outward. Here's the comparison of old versus new wheel hub bearing assembly. The reason we're replacing the hub is because the bearing on the old hub failed, which causes noise while driving. Before installing the new hub, remove the dust cap, use a small flathead screwdriver, remove the retaining clip from the old one. Install that clip onto the new harness. Now let's install the new hub. When installing the hub, align the wheel speed sensor with the notch in the dust shield. Also align the teeth on the hub with the teeth on the clutch. Once the hub is in place, install the retaining bolts. Use the large 18mm deep socket with the large extendable ratchet wrench. Snug up the hub retaining bolts. When snugging them up, make sure to snug up in a crisscross way. After the hub bolts are snugged, use the large 18mm deep socket. With the large torque wrench, torque the hub retaining bolts. Torque specific, 175 Newton meters, 129 foot-pounds. Feed the wheel speed sensor harness through the hole in the dust shield. Install the harness retaining bolt. Use the small 8mm short socket with the small electric impact wrench to tighten it down. Install the wiring clip. Feed the harness connector through. Plug the connector in. Push the lock back in. Reinstall the connector. Install the brake disc. Remove the caliper hook. Install the brake caliper. Align with the hole and install the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Use the large 21mm deep socket. With the large electric impact wrench, tighten the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Use the large 21mm deep socket. With the large torque wrench, torque the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Torque specific, 250 Newton meters, 184 foot-pounds. Install the axle shaft retaining nut. Use the medium 13mm deep socket. With the medium torque wrench, tighten the axle shaft, retaining nuts, torque the nut, torque specific 40 Newton meters, 30 foot-pounds. When tighten it, there needs to be someone holding the brake pedal down. Reinstall the cap. The other side wheel hub is removed and installed the same way, with the same procedure and torque specific. Install the wheel hub. Install the wheel lug nuts. Use the large 21mm deep socket. With the large electric impact wrench, tighten the wheel hub lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use the large 21mm deep socket and large short extension bar. With large torque wrench, torque the wheel lug nuts. Torque specific, 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds.